10 Most Largest Prehistoric Animals. We have seen many movies like Jurassic Park, Godzilla, King Kong, and more. It is hard to believe there were such large animals which existed. For the fact, yes, it is true such large animals existed in our planet. Let us see few of the large prehistoric animals. Number 10, Basilosaurus. Basilosaurus is a genus of early whales that lived 40 to 34 million years ago. Basilosaurus is one of the largest known animals to exist. The first fossil of Basilosaurus was discovered in the United States, and was initially believed to be some sort of reptile, but it was later found to be a marine mammal. The head of Basilosaurus did not have room for a melon, like modern toothed whales, and the brain was smaller in comparison. They are not believed to have had the social capabilities of modern whales. Number 9, Dnoceras. Dnoceras is a genus of large ornithomimosaur, which means ostrich dinosaur, that lived during the late Cretaceous, around 70 million years ago. Dnoceras was an unusual ornithomimosaur, the largest of the clade. Though it was a bulky animal, it had many hollow bones which saved weight. The first known fossil remains were discovered by Polish paleontologist on July 9, 1965, at Gobi Desert. Number 8, Sarcosensious. Sarcosensious, meaning flesh crocodile, is an extinct genus of crocodiliform, that lived 112 million years ago. It dates from the early Cretaceous period, of what is now Africa and South America, and is one of the largest crocodile-like reptiles that ever lived. It was almost twice as long as the modern saltwater crocodile and weighed up to 8 tons. The first remains were discovered during several expeditions led by the French paleontologist, spanning from 1946 to 1959, in the Sahara Desert. Number 7, Megalodon. Megalodon is an extinct species of shark that lived approximately 23 to 2.6 million years ago. Regarded as one of the largest and most powerful predators in vertebrate history, Megalodon had a profound impact on the structure of marine communities. Fossil remains suggest that this giant shark reached a length of 59 feet. Number 6, Steppe Mammoth. Steppe mammoth is an extinct species of elephantidae, that ranged over most of northern Eurasia, around 600,000 to 370,000 years ago. It was the first stage in the evolution of the steppe and tundra elephants, and an ancestor of the woolly mammoth of later glacial periods. The males had spiral tusks with a recurved tip that could grow as long as 5.2 meters in old bulls. Females, on the other side, had thinner and slightly curved tusks. Number 5, Novoa. Novoa is an extinct genus of snakes, that lived about 60 to 58 million years ago. The only known species is Novoa sarcosensious, the largest snake ever discovered. The warmer climate of the Earth during the time of Novoa allowed cold-blooded snakes to attain much larger sizes than modern snakes. Today, larger ectothermic animals are found in the tropics, where it is hottest, and smaller ones are found farther from the equator. Number 4, Meg Alanya. Meg Alanya is an extinct giant gona or monitor lizard. They were part of a megafaunal assemblage that inhabited southern Australia during the Pleistocene. They seem to have disappeared sometime after 50,000 years ago. The first Aboriginal settlers of Australia might have encountered them. Early estimates place the length of the largest individuals at 23 feet, with a maximum weight of approximately 600 to 620 kilograms. Number 3, Elephant birds. Elephant birds were large to enormous flightless birds, that once lived on the island of Madagascar. They became extinct, possibly in the 17th or 18th century, for reasons that are unclear, although human activity is the suspected cause. While they were in close geographical proximity to the ostrich, elephant birds' closest living relatives are kiwis. Number 2, Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx is a genus of bird-like dinosaurs, that is transitional between non-avian feathered dinosaurs and modern birds. Between the late 19th century and the early 21st century, Archaeopteryx had been generally accepted by paleontologists and popular reference books, as the oldest known bird. Archaeopteryx lived during the early Tithonian stage of the Jurassic period, approximately 150.8 to 148.5 million years ago. Number 1, Amticohelius. Amticohelius, meaning biconcave, is a genus of herbivorous sauropod dinosaur. It includes what has sometimes been estimated to be the largest dinosaur specimen ever discovered. The only fossil remains were lost at some point after being studied and described in the 1870s. Evidence survived only in drawings and field notes.